Here is the test video for 384 voltage 120 kilowatt rated 50 kilowatt motor controller kit. So after all the connection for motor controller, VCU, dashboard, key switch, door switch, pedal, and then we turn on the key switch. And we use the store switch. Reverse. Press the pedal. The motor is running. Then we release the pedal. And check the programmer. Now it's in reverse status. You see the motor is running. Okay, let's try another direction. Pull forward. Then we press the pedal. You see, the motor is running again. Then we can check the programmer. The motor is running and is in forward status. Okay.